going to learn our next topic, uniform and non-uniform motion. To learn the topic, uniform and non-uniform motion, observe this table. This table shows Omar, Akbar and Anthony traveling with different cars and with different velocity in fixed time interval. So observe the table. In first column, time in a clock. 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7 o'clock. So what is time interval between these motives? 5 to 5:30 means 30 minutes. 5:30 to 6, that is 30 minutes. 6 to 6:30, you know that here the time interval is fixed and is 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the time interval. Now, in second column, distance covered by Amar in kilometer. म्हणजे अमरने किलोमीटर मध्ये किती डिस्टन्स कव्हर केलं इन 30 सेकंड 30 मिनिट मध्ये ते दिलेलं आहे. So first column shows the distance covered 0. That means Amar start traveling at 5 o'clock. So at 5 o'clock distance covered by Amar is 0. Now at 5:30 distance covered by Amar is 20 kilometer. त्यामुळे 5:30 ला अमरने 20 किलोमीटर डिस्टन्स कव्हर केले. नंतर at 6 o'clock he covered the distance 40 kilometer. At 6:30 he covered the distance 60 kilometer. And at 7 o'clock he covered the distance 80 kilometer. This information we can represent by the diagram like this. Look at here. This is the Amar's motion. Amar start traveling at from point A. So here his distance traveled will be 0 kilometer. Okay. Now he starts from A and reach to B. Here his distance travel is 20 kilometer and time interval from A to B. He gets a time 30 minutes. So here time interval is 30 minutes and within this 30 minutes he travels the distance 20 kilometers. Now from B to C, at point C he covered the distance 40 kilometers. Here also time interval is 30 minutes. In 30 minutes he covered the distance 20 to 40 means 20 kilometers. B to C he traveled a distance in second interval 20 kilometers. Now from C to D time interval is equal 30 minutes. And at point D he covers the distance 60 kilometers means from C to D he travels the distance 20 kilometers. Now from D to E time interval is 30 minutes and he covers the distance 60 to 80. At point D travel distance 80 kilometers. So from D to E he travels cover the distance 20 kilometers. This diagram shows Amar travels equal distance in equal time interval. So such type of motion is called as uniform motion. So Amar travels in uniform motion. And uniform motion means equal distance in equal time interval. That is called as uniform motion. Okay. Now we see the Akbar's motion. Akbar starts traveling from point P. So So at point P, distance covered by Akbar is 0 kilometer. Now he reached at point Q, and here distance is 80 kilometer. So from P to Q, he travels a distance 80 kilometer from P to Q within 13 minutes. As per this information, we represent the diagram. So 30 minutes. Now at point R, he covered a distance 36 kilometer, means 36 minus 18, that is from Q to R, he covers a distance 18 kilometer in 30 minutes. Kilometer. Now at point S, he goes at point S, and here at point S distance is 42. At point R distance was 636. So from R to S he covers distance only 6 kilometers, and time interval is equal. We have seen in the chart every time interval is equal, and that is 30 minutes. Now he goes from S to T, and at point T here distance covered is equal to 70 kilometers in 30 minutes. So 70 minus 42, that will be 28 kilometers. So Akbar covers from S to T 28 kilometer within 30 minutes. समजतंय का? पहिल्या 30 मिनिट मध्ये हा 18 किलोमीटर डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल करतो. दुसऱ्या 30 मिनिट मध्ये हा पुन्हा 18 किलोमीटर ट्रॅव्हल करतो. म्हणजे इथे इथपर्यंतची मोशन युनिफॉर्म म्हणून आपण. नंतर तिसऱ्या 30 मिनिट मध्ये तिसऱ्या टाइम इंटरवल मध्ये हा R to S फक्त 6 किलोमीटर, आणि नंतर S पासून T पर्यंत हा 30 मिनिटाच्या कालावधीत किती डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल करतो? 28 किलोमीटर. तो यावरून आपण म्हणू की अकबरची मोशन ही युनिफॉर्म आहे का? कारण टाइम इंटरवल सारखाच आहे, परंतु त्याने प्रत्येक टाइम इंटरवल मध्ये वेगवेगळं डिस्टन्स कव्हर केलंय. म्हणून अशा प्रकारच्या मोशनला म्हणतात नॉन युनिफॉर्म मोशन. So Akbar's motion is non-uniform motion because he covers unequal distance in equal time interval. Unequal distance in equal time interval. So such type of motion called as non-uniform motion. In this way, we define the uniform and non-uniform motion. When an object covers equal distance in equal time interval, then the motion of that object is said to be uniform motion. एखादी वस्तू सारख्या कालावधीमध्ये सारखाच डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल करत असेल तर त्या वस्तूची मोशन म्हणू आपण युनिफॉर्म मोशन. नंतर an object covers unequal distance in equal time interval. Here, unequal distance in equal time interval. So, such type of motion called as non-uniform motion. In this way, we learn the definition of uniform and non-uniform motion from this table. Okay.